Vanakkam friends, welcome to our channel. At last, we are at the end of 2021, and this will be our final weekly forecast for 2021. So, in this year, we have had a very steep rise, at the same time, a decent correction of almost near 10 to 11% in Nifty during various months in between. So, as it is year end, FII's participation will be very less. Like what we have mentioned during our last Tuesday's video, as long as this trend line holds on the downside, we can expect an up move till 17,214. That was the best case scenario which we have predicted during last Tuesday. Since we have gone almost near to that level, almost we have done 155, which means another 50 points, 50 to 60 points short of our target. So we are revisiting and changing the view as of now. This is only for the last week of December until 31st December 2021. Okay, now this falling trend line comes into picture. This rising trend line comes into picture, as well as I have drawn a falling trend line by connecting the recent highs of the Nifty spot. It was a classical 20 DMA halt on Friday. Exactly, it opened somewhere near there and slowly drifted down. At one point in time, it went almost near 17,900, 16,900, but it hasn't broken that 16,900 level and bounced back 100 points from there to close somewhere near 17,003. So now this 16,900 will become a support for next week. As long as this support holds, we can expect small upside. We will not be able to see a very big upside because of the less participation from FIIs across the world. So we can expect a small rise. The first hurdle will be 17,214 again, which is 200 points away from here as of now. If and only we break this level and close above it, maybe Monday or Tuesday, we can expect a raise towards 17,484 till Friday of this week. So while playing into weekly options, expiry will be on Thursday. So you need to play very cautiously and take profits out of the table or book profits on time before expiry day. Hope this will be very clear. I have made it very simple this week. Why? Because the participation of FIIs will be very less. So obviously markets will not have very big volatility. In line with this, we have already seen VIX dropping significantly from 19 odd levels to 16 odd levels, which means Nifty is going to have a range bound movement. In between this three lines drawn, 16,900 on the downside and 17,480 on the higher side. 17,484 comes into picture only if Nifty closes above 17,214, or else the range will be only 16,900 to 17,200, which will be a 300 point range. 300 points for a 17,000 Nifty is hardly 1.5%, 1.5 to 1.75%. So this will be the range bound move which we can expect during the upcoming week from 27th to 30th, 27th to 31st December. Yeah. until 31st we can expect this kind of move. Only after 3rd January we will be seeing FIIs coming back into picture, and there will be increase in volatility that we will decide about in the next review during January 1st week. So based on this, what we can trade? All our members have already taken 17200 call somewhere between 50 to 60 during Friday itself as hero or zero trade. Let us see how this goes. If we are able to manage and close above 17214 by Tuesday, definitely we will see another 200 point rise by Thursday itself. In such case, our position will deliver at least 2x returns. Remember, it is a hero or zero trade, so either it will become 1x or 2x, or it will become 0. I suggest everyone not to trade multiple lots, just to trade 1 or 2 lots. That is more than enough for you to make money. Why? Because none can be richest by trading in markets within one day. Please keep it in mind. So try to take this trade. So yesterday's close is, Friday's close, not the close, it is the last traded price, 48.45. Probably if Monday markets opens flat in the sense plus or minus 20 points, you will definitely see this particular 17200 CE only somewhere between 40 to 45 rupees. Best case scenario, you will see 50 rupees. That's it. So 50 rupees is hardly 2500 rupees, which we can take it as hero or zero trade and wait. If it works, we will book somewhere around 100, 120 or like that. Or if it goes for a toss, we lose 2500 rupees. Suggesting everyone to follow the levels which I am suggesting. Don't be in a hurry if it is a gap up opening and catch it at higher levels. Please don't do that. 99% of the times, whatever the level which I am suggesting, it will come, and then only markets will move on the other direction, whichever we are expecting. Only 1% of the times we will fail, or our levels will not come. So let's not chase that 1%. Try to stick with this 99%. We will be able to make money as and when our opportunity arises. So if you like this video, please do share, comment, or to your friends also. If you feel that this video is worth. If you feel that this video is not worth, you need not share. That is not a big deal. Thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.